Hi, I'm Mike Risich, the founder and CEO of Bolt-On Technology, and I want to thank you so much for trusting us with the technology that we bring into your shop. And it goes all the way to your vehicle owners who come to your shop. It's an incredible journey we've been on, one where we've been innovating with these ideas that you bring us and that you help us understand how they can impact your business. It can build trust and relationships between vehicle owners and shops. Some of the ways that we're doing this is through our digital vehicle inspection platform. And just some quick statistics. Over the last 24 months, our DVI platform has delivered nearly 5 million digital inspections. And those inspections have carried more than 35 million images. In the most recent 12 months, over 20 million images were taken on those inspections. Each one of those images is a vote of confidence in the trust and the loyalty that you are bridging between the shop and the vehicle owner. One of our newest solutions, Bolt-On Pay, today is seeing upwards of 60,000 transactions a month. This innovation is really not new. We buy things from our mobile devices all the time, but being able to pay for the service that is performed at your shop, it's convenient, it's contactless, and it's what vehicle owners are looking for. It sets you apart from your competition. And we are so happy and so thankful that you trust us with delivering that technology. This has been an amazing journey, one that we could not do alone. The community of automotive professionals that guide us through delivering this technology is like none other. And so, thank you so much.